What is it?
I don't know.
Yes, I know. Sticking your tongue out.
I haven't had ice cream in my mouth.
I know. Don't spit that out.
I can't open my mouth.
I know. Don't open it. Keep your tongue back in.
No. I am so hungry.
Oh, lay down.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry.
Yeah.
You gotta be tired. Mm. Lay down. Lay back down.
Yeah.
What's wrong?
I do.
You feel good?
Yeah.
You ready to go?
I do.
Leave it there. Leave it there. Shh. Yeah. I know. You have gauze coming out your mouth. I know.
Yeah, you're numb. Everything feels good. It'll come back, I promise. That's a good thing.